The only tools required for assembling the wall diagonal corner cabinet in Warwick Walnut are a pressure staple gun and wood glue. Begin by placing the door and frame face down. Place wood glue inside the grooves on the two sides of the frame. Then slide the two front side panels into the grooves on a 45-degree angle. And secure the sides to the frame with 6 staples on each side. Next, you will need to place glue in the bottom grooves on the two front side panels and the bottom of the frame. Then, slide the bottom panel into the bottom grooves in the front side panels and frame. Repeat this process for the top panel. Next, you will need to apply glue in the grooves of one of the back side panels. Then, place the panel against the top, bottom, and front side panels. You will then need to secure the panel with 6 staples applied to the back and front side panels. Repeat this process for the opposite side. You will then slide the small back panel into place and secure it with 6 staples on each side. For support, you can also secure the top and bottom panels to the 4 side panels by applying staples to the top and bottom part of the front and back side panels to the top and bottom panels. Once the cabinet is constructed, you will secure 2 shelves in the cabinet by inserting 4 clips on the inside of the cabinet for each shelf, a total of 8 clips, and then snapping each shelf into place on the clips. Note, you can adjust the shelves by inserting the clips in the desired location where you want the shelves placed. The last step is to place 2 door stoppers in the holes on the inside top and bottom of the door. This is the process of assembling a wall diagonal corner cabinet in Warwick Walnut. Thanks for taking the time to watch this cabinet assembly video. As you can see, it only takes about 10 to 15 minutes and a few easy steps to assemble a cabinet. All of our cabinetry are designed to be easily assembled, yet once constructed, can hold up as well or even better than any other custom cabinetry. Please take your time to reference back to any of our assembly videos whenever needed. We are dedicated to assisting you with any questions or comments you may have throughout your kitchen and bath renovation process. You can reach us by calling or emailing us. You can find all of our contact information on our website. Thanks again, and have a great day.